Assalamu alaikum, rahmatullah barakatuh. Y'all know who it is. Once again, that's right. It's Uncle Zay and Queen Asia. It's my little 1-year-old Muslima. You heard? Anyway, listen. I was tired last night. I went to bed early. And today, I needed to treat myself, to some frozen yogurt from this spot called Munchies. Yeah. Me and my daughter gonna bust this down, you heard? Strawberry banana and New York cheesecake flavored with some McGillicuddy on it. You know what I'm saying? No. So let's give it a little try of that, right? Ooh, you like that, huh, mama? Yeah. This frozen yogurt is so good. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Want some more? Huh? Well, today, I got a special surprise. That's right. Backstage is in the bed sleep. And guess who's here, y'all? Behind the scenes. What's up, behind the scenes? How you doing?
Doing okay. Sorry.
That's good. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Listen, I want y'all to like and subscribe on YouTube, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Remember, Uncle Zay Uncle Zay on YouTube. On Instagram is Uncle Zay 718, and on TikTok is Uncle_Zay. There you go. Boy, underscores and all that, man. Listen, we was coming up, we ain't have all that. You know what I mean? I'm a 60s baby. Boy. Anyway, behind the scenes, what you got for me today? What's the topic today?
Okay.
Yeah.
My question to you is, what advice can you give someone on forgiveness? Whether it be forgiveness from their parents, best friend, spouse, children, whatever the case may be.
Man, what's up with you and backstage with these topics? Like, he asked me yesterday about homosexuality. Hey, be patient. Say, give me some, please. There you go. Oh, my daughter does sign language. She can't talk. She ain't deaf. She ain't mute. When she hungry, she hungry. So now, it's forgiveness. You know what? I'm going to say this. Forgiveness ain't easy. Baba. She heard what she said, Baba. Forgiveness ain't easy. And if you expect Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive you, then you have to learn how to be forgiven. Me personally, I'm not a forgiving person. I'm going to always remember what you did to me. And that's something that I need to work on. You understand? And while I'm remembering what you did to me, it would behoove you to stay away from me. Because I might open up a can of whoop ass, blow your brains out, something like that. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm just saying, I might.
I know, but they want to mute the video. You can't say stuff like that.
Start over.
Just go ahead.
Start over. You was talking in the background.
That's all right.
Okay. Behind the scenes said I can't say that. Well, I might flip out. Depending on how bad you hurt me. My son over there laughing at me saying, that's funny, right? I'm messing up? Maybe? Yeah. You think you could do this better than me? Huh? Well, go get a spoon, but come on. Come pull up a chair. Look, now you shot. I'm not that forgiving. I'm sorry. You know, I'm more forgiving towards women than I am men. You know, what you say? What? What you say? Good girl, right? You want some? Give me some. Give me some, please. Let me kiss. Thank you. You love me? I love you, okay?
Yeah.
You love me, okay?
Yeah.
Cold, cold. It's not hot, it's cold. Say cold. Say cold. Say cold. Who that? Huh? Huh, mama? Say who that? Huh? Where mama? Where Umi? Huh? Say papa. That's very good. But you know what? For the sake of my daughter, I've been working on that. You know, for the pleasure of Allah. I've been working on that because I want Allah to forgive me for all the things that I've done in life. And I know the only way that's going to happen if I forgive others for what they've done to me. But there's some things, I'm sorry, I don't know if I'm capable of forgiving. You know? Real talk.
Okay.
So, what's the next question?
The next question is, would you go deep sea diving?
You talking about sex? Or you talking about
deep sea diving with the animals, with the fish?
You know what? See, if it was meant for man to breathe underwater, Allah would have created us with some gills. No. Next question. Now, if you had said something,
There's so many fish that's not made with gills.
but guess what? I don't know any personally, so it really don't matter.
Anyway,
Ah. This munchies is good, right, Mama? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Oh, yeah. What's the next question, my love?
next question is, will you
That pause really scares me. Well, I what?
I don't know, you didn't elaborate too well on those other questions.
Put more detail in your questions. You're giving me questions that get to a direct answer. But will I what? Good.
Will you skydive?
Absolutely. I
So
love
you will
sky.
skydive, but you won't go deep sea diving. You'll jump out of a perfectly good plane, but you won't go deep sea diving.
Because I have somewhat control. See, in the sky, I ain't got to worry about no big giant birds attacking me, right? But when you go in the water, I got to worry about octopuses, giant squids, sharks, whales, dolphin on crack. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Yeah, right. Eating too fast, Mama? Excuse me, y'all. Alhamdulillah. Come on. Come on.
Okay, last question. How does it feel starting over, having another child at your age?
How old am
You're 58.
I? Who told you that? Baby, I'm only 27. You ain't know?
You got 2 children that's older than 27.
I got a daughter that's 40, yeah.
Exactly. And a son that's in his 30s.
Yeah. All right. I am 58. And this experience that I'm having with Asiyah, named after the mother of Moses, the queen to Pharaoh, and the servant of Allah. Let me tell you something. She's the best experience of my life. It couldn't have been better. My daughter wake up in the morning, and one of the first things she say, Papa! Say, Papa! She laughing. Yep. That's one of the first things she say. Yeah. So, yes. You want to say something? So, she busting this yoga down.
What challenges do you face at being a start over father at 58?
Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I have an older daughter, 2 older daughters than her. And they upset. And I'm at the point where I really don't care. And that's the challenge for me because I want my kids to know their siblings. You know? But they're upset that I had another child at my age. Now, one of the challenges that I face is the same challenge my father had when he had me, right? I'm 58 now, she's 1. I'm gonna be, inshallah, I'll be in my late 60s, early 70s. You know, when I know my daughter as an adult. All right, mama. You heard her? Bye-bye. Stop playing with the yogurt. You seen it, right? Yeah. So, that's a challenge. The other challenge is that she is so full of energy. Right. She's so full of energy. And no, keep it on. No, stop. And what I said, a big hug. Big hug. You gonna be like that? Can I kiss? Have a kiss? Oh, you mad at me now? Because I made you keep your headpiece on? Oh, you want some more? Huh? That's your way of cussing me out? Huh? Oh, you better not. She's so full of energy in life. Like, she'll climb up on my bed. Well, won't climb up. She'll climb down, right? 1,000 times in one day. Up, up, up. Oh, she go, ah! Start whining and bickering. She's real, you know, she's full of fire, full of spice, you know, and she keeps me busy. But guess what? Her mother and I, we adore it, but she's a challenge. Me. She's more of a challenge to me than anything else. Because the girl won't let me use the bathroom by myself. I can't do nothing by myself. She has to be there. Now she's getting into this thing where, you know, she meddles and pull all the clothes out the drawer. Yeah, take some. You see? Come on. So, I love it more than anything else in this world. I wouldn't trade it in. I wouldn't intentionally do it again. But this experience with her is the best because I have a purpose that you can't get nowhere else. Being a parent gives you a purpose that you can't get nowhere else. And the love that she expresses to me at 1 year old, like, I be having these coughing attacks sometimes because I have, what do you call it again?
COPD.
COPD. Yeah, I always say it backwards, right? That's a lung disease. And, you know, I have these coughing attacks. And my daughter becomes so concerned and so in tune with me. She hugs me and she holds me and she gets worried and she'll lay on me. You know, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And I can't ask for more. Zane, can you go get the wet wipes, please? And that's challenge. But you know what? That's not my only joy, is having a new child, right? Being a stepdad became a challenge too. You know? It's not easy. But it also has become a joy of mine because in my stepchildren, right? Like my stepson Zane, I know he loves me. He tells me all the time. Right? Don't you? He tells me he loves me all the time. He come and give me hugs. You know what I'm saying? I'm coaching his basketball team. You know what I'm saying? And me and him just do a lot. You hear Asia acting up. Asia acting up. Hey, could you put this in the deep freezer, please? Thank you. Whew. So, you know, just being a parent all over again, you know, is challenging. But the best part of that is that I'm a parent with my wife. You know what I'm saying? That gives me the greatest joy. Because as old as I am and as young as she is, there's a great difference in age. She has taught me so much about children and life. You know what I mean? As well as I've taught her. So, yeah, this is what it is. So look, I have a request for all of you guys who watch, right? I would like for you guys to make a choice from 5 meals: jerk chicken, barbecue chicken, fried chicken, grilled shrimp salad. Okay? These are one of the things that I'm gonna cook tomorrow and eat. You know what I mean? For right here for the mukbang. You know what I'm saying? So you guys decide. You have to decide tonight. No later than 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. You know what I mean? Because at 12 a.m., I'm going to get up. Whatever meat it is I got to take out the freezer, so be it. Okay? Anyway, remember, this is Brother Zay, keeping it all the way real all the time. You forgive me? Like, I'm definitely, you know what I mean, gonna come to you with a hot topic tonight. You know what I mean? And if possible, I'm gonna ask behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying, to get a few of her friends on the phone for speaker and let other people, you know what I'm saying, ask me some challenging questions. Now, if you guys want to ask me a challenging question, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments of this video. She'll remember them and she'll read it. You know what I mean? You can write a whole paragraph if you want. Tell me your situation. I give you the best advice that I can. And if I can't, I just simply say I don't know. You know what I mean? Hey, listen. Hook up with me on YouTube. The link is in my bios. You know what I'm saying? Let's make this happen, y'all. For real. Brothers Aid coming to you from whereabouts unknown. You know what I mean? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace.